Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to tackle how to effectively manage your price list within Stock&Buy. In Stock&Buy, you can create multiple price lists on your account, giving you the flexibility to streamline your operational tasks. So let's dive in. Apart from the default price list for basic retail and purchases, you also have the option to create a custom price list. This is incredibly useful for businesses that require various price lists to support different operations, such as individual customer prices, item purchases, guarantees, and maintaining international retail prices across multiple outlets. To begin setting up your price list, navigate to the Inventory module and click Price List. In the top right corner of the page, click Actions. Once you click Actions, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to add a new price list. On this page, you'll find all your current price lists displayed. You can view, manage, and edit prices for each product. However, keep in mind that default price lists like retail, retail compare at, and wholesale and more are read-only, and you can change their names or currencies. But don't worry, you can easily update your price list via CSV. Click the Actions button again and select Edit via CSV. A new window will appear with a downloadable template pre-filled with your price list data. Edit the CSV by making the necessary changes and entering your product variations. Remember, all columns are optional except the ID column. Once you're done, save the file and upload it to the system. Your uploaded CSV file will automatically update your price list. This is a convenient way to keep your price list up to date. In the Price List module, we also have the functionality to easily copy amounts from one cell to another. Once you navigate to the bottom right corner of each cell, you will see a blue square icon that you can drag. For example, let's say we have set the wholesale compare at price for an air compressor to 10. Now, to copy this price to the other cells, all you need to do is drag it down or up. You can also drag it to the left or right. See how easy that was? By dragging the blue square icon, you've instantly copied the price to multiple cells. This saves you from manually entering the same value over and over again. Now, let's discuss assigning price lists to your customers and suppliers. This ensures quick and easy order processing. To do this, go to your Contacts module. Click on Suppliers or Customers, and in the top right corner of the page, select Create New. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter your supplier or customer information. In the Advanced tab, click on the Price List menu and select your desired price list. Once you've made your decision, click Save and Close. From now on, the assigned price list will be automatically applied to your customers and suppliers whenever you process a purchase or sales order for them. That's it! Managing your price list with Stock&Buy is simple and efficient. Now you have the tools to streamline your pricing strategies and boost your operational efficiency. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this content helpful, stay tuned for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.